LeetCode 10, regular expression matching. We're going to use one pointer for each string. We will feed these pointers into a recursive method called check. First, we'll check if the pointers match or if j is a period and store it as a variable for later. If j is not a star, we have two possible outputs. If we have a match, we'll do a recursive call on check with I and j plus 1. Otherwise, we know the expressions don't match and can return false. For the star case, we want to recurse over two choices. The first case is where we stop using the star term and check I and j plus 2. The other choice is to keep using the star term and increment I instead. Keep in mind we only want to use the star term if there is a match. Since we are checking both options, we want to return true if either option is true. We will have multiple exit cases. The first is if I and j are both out of bounds. This will only occur if we matched all elements, so we return true. If only j is out of bounds, then we have failed to match s, so we return false. The result when I is out of bounds and j is not will depend if j is at a star or not. We will factor this into our algorithm by including a condition for match if I is out of bounds. If j is not at a star term, we process it like we did at the start, and since match is always false, we return false. If j is at a star term, it will be handled by our recursive star algorithm. Specifically the case where we stop using the star term. In this example, we'll eventually reach the end of p and can return true. And here's the code for